For classes A, B, C and D sat the same science test. The results from the test for each class are shown below. Which class had the lowest scoring student? The lowest scoring student is the 55 here, and that's from class A. What percentage of students in class B scored a mark higher than 60? So 60 is just here, and it's at the lower quartile. Now we know that each of the parts of a box plot represents 25%. So above 60 we've got 3 sections, and that means we have 75%. Which class had the largest interquartile range? So we're looking for the longest box. Remember, the interquartile range is from the lower quartile to the upper quartile, and the longest box certainly belongs to class B. The head of science decides to give out chocolates to the class that performed the best in their test. Which class should she choose and why? Well, to my mind, it looks like this is the best performing class. It's true that we have higher performing students here and here, but this one has the highest median. Not only that, but the lower quartile is very comparable with the median for this group and the upper quartile for this group. So on average, C did better. So C, and the reason why, well, we've discussed those. You need to get a reason down. If there are 24 students in class C, how many scored a mark higher than 70? So that was class C, and we can see that 70 is actually the lower quartile. So as discussed earlier when we looked at B, each section is 25%, so that's 75% of the students, or 3/4 of the students. And a quarter of 24 is 6, so 3/4 would be 18.